My name's Mike Nugent. I'm a business development executive within the industrials team. Productivity is a big issue for companies right now. There's also the challenge of Brexit and how they can use new technologies to improve their ways of working. So what are their challenges? Well, let's take food manufacturing as an example. It's going to be compliance, it's regulation, it's health and safety. But how do they track across their supply chain to understand exactly where the food is coming from, whether it's been handled correctly, and whether it's then passed on to customers in the right way without E. coli or not been managed at the right temperature? All of those issues are things that we can pick up with our sensors through the data that exists within those companies already. And that's what we do. We bring all of that together into a single version of the truth and give them real-time information and insight so they can actually address issues before they happen. So how do we address that within Hitachi? Well, the key thing is we don't talk technology. We start with the business problem. We talk about where they're actually experiencing their pain and how we can actually help them address that from a business perspective first. And then we look at, well, what data do you have? What more data might you need? And we then run the analytics on that information. We do it quickly. We use agile techniques. We work with our clients to understand and work against hypotheses of what might be the solution to those problems, and then prove or disprove them and then move on to the next area. And in that way, we can then apply advanced techniques such as machine learning to actually then start allowing them to learn and understand how to improve their operations. By gathering all that data together, more data than they can handle for the human brain, but then come up with better answers to the challenges they've been experiencing for the last 20 or 30 years, but actually truly addressing them in the long term and not just through change programs which often fall away.